Check this out. I'm outside getting some sunshine and it's bright, and I'm wanting you to do what I'm doing. Go out and just get as much sunshine as you can for your health, or take some D3 supplements. Okay? I love you. Watch this bug.
Oh, looks like a kind of like a mask. He's got this weird body. It's called a stink bug. I don't know the Latin name, but look at the intricacy. I imagine those are two eyeballs up there checking out the scene. That's what he looks like.
Most people just ignore them.